guys, this is Hard Reset, and your Gmail not working. If emails aren't signed, notifications aren't coming through, or attachments aren't downloading, try this. Restart your application. Check permissions. So as you can see, I allowed some. Then check your internet connection, if it's good enough. Then go reinstall your application. And update it. Let's open it. And if your previous if previous options didn't help you, try to reboot your phone and it will help you. Thank you so much and see you in the next video.